Hey guys, it's Emily. I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to be doing a vlog. We'll be going to the beach with my man. DeMarcos is in the store right now getting some cheese. And then we're going to go get the dog, and we're going to go to the beach and have a beach day. So, I'm going to just take you guys along with me on a little adventure that we're going to have, okay? Okay. I'll update you guys when we get the dog, and then after that, I'm going to try little braidy things in my hair and put some like little, you know, those little, what are they called? I don't know. Little metal things. I don't know. You'll see. Okay, you'll see. Okay, see? Yeah. So we got the pupper. Got our baby. Sitting in the back. Oh, he's sitting in the back. Demarian's getting his toy. Try to decide on. Look at the baby. Look at the baby. Yes, yes. So we're getting food. No. Look at this baby. Look at this baby. I'm waiting for the food. Hey guys, we made it to the beach. We have our own little area. We're gonna set up our little tent. And come on, Cash, let's walk over here. Go that way. You go first. There might be a spider. Ah, there's a spider. Never mind. Come on. So pretty. The sky is so pretty, guys. I've officially put on a hat. And I'm gonna start reading this book. Actually, Demarian's showing up, so we're gonna pretend like we're reading this book. Focus on what you. Hi, babe. Okay, so chilling.
Take whatever's like valuable and let's go. Let's go grab whatever's left.
What's left? Huh? So we came back to the car to get some things. I mean, this little skirt thing, some sandals, and gosh, just chilling. It's a beautiful day. You can't really see. I gotta fix my saturation. Yeah. Okay, guys. So I ditched the camera, and I'm just using my phone right now because the saturation and stuff was just like acting super weird on my camera. So we're just walking, and we're gonna just walk around while DeMarcos puts up the little tent that we have. It's so pretty. Look how pretty this is. Like, let me zoom in for you. You see this? Look how pretty. I forgot to show you guys my outfit of the day. Okay, this is my hair. Okay, it's weird. I just pooped. Okay, come on guys, we gotta walk back. But, hold on, come on. I'm just gonna show you guys. Go on that side, go on that side. Okay, so, starting with my hair, I got these little clip-in things I put in the car that you see. I got these at Target, and I got my, come on Cash, let's go. I got my hair, my little hair tie from Forever 21. These glasses I got at a little shop by the beach at Anna Maria Island. This top my boyfriend got me for my birthday, and I believe he got it from Zoomies. And this top, I am not too sure. I think it's OP, but I don't know. This necklace is from Brandy Melville. And these shorts are Levi's. And my shoes are just white Vans. So, yeah. And like my hair's all messed up because of my sunglasses. Yeah, you know, it's no big, no big. Oh, and my bottoms, my bathing suit bottoms that you'll see later are from Zappos. So this is better. I try to record on my camera, but my freaking, the lighting sucks. We got sunscreen on, applying it. Cash is a little bit, you know, I don't even, that's not sunscreen, actually, I'm dumb. I got my book, and my chair, and the sun, and the water, and I'm going to tan, because the girl needs it. Here's his Powerade, got my bathing suit, and this thing. The video. I'm gonna show you guys how to make a sandwich. How about that? Okay, so we have bread. We're gonna use 2 pieces. We're gonna lay them out.
No tutorial.
I don't care. I'm doing a tutorial. These people know how to make sandwiches. This is weak bread. We're done with the bread. Okay. Now we got the mayonnaise. Simple, whatever kind of mayonnaise you like. Now I'm gonna pick you guys up. I'll show you. Okay. Show you. Open up the mayonnaise. So we're only gonna put mayonnaise on one side of the bread of a sandwich. So I don't know how much mayonnaise he wants, but is that good for you? Go back. We'll put the mayonnaise away. Now we're gonna get the meat. And for today we have turkey, oven roasted turkey breast. Okay. So now we're just gonna use your bare hand, go in there and get that meat. Just put it on the top of the slice that we put the mayonnaise on. Alright, so we have the meat on, and now we're gonna add the cheese, and that's gonna be it, and we're just gonna eat it, okay? So we'll get back with you a little later. Yeah. He's so cute. Okay, it's a video.
Swimming pictures of Cat, and Emily and Marion.
Yes! Ready? Come on.
Come in.
it's you. You okay? Look at his feet. Bean. Let me cut my foot. You're so happy. Look at him. He's so happy. Put it in the water. Alright, that's why I tried throwing it. Yeah.
Come on, guys.
Aw, baby.
You should have got a video. Yep, you did good. Kept it on the sand and everything. He was able to find it. Oh, good. Good girl. Cash, ball. Ball. Thank you. No, don't do that. There you go. Alright, we'll go back.
Okay guys, so we're up here. I'm walking. Look at my babies. We're coming to take some pictures. Hush, let's use the bathroom. Alright guys, so I know those are like random, super random and like really sucky, but we had a fun day and I'm just taking a picture of airplane. I don't know, like I see a picture or something. So we're going to get in the car and we're gonna go home. So thanks for watching our vlog and have a great day. Like and subscribe. Bye.